Hey, what's up, guys? Here with another motorcycle repair video or maintenance video. This time we're gonna work on the front brakes on my Yamaha VStar 1100. We're gonna replace the front brake pads. I already replaced the ones in the rear, so now it's turned to the ones in the front. These are the pads that I ordered for this bike, and the process is really simple. All we need is a 12mm socket, ratchet, screwdriver or something, so we can push the cylinders back in. Some brake parts cleaner, and I don't know if we're gonna need this bungee cord, considering that I have the brake lines right here held in place by this bolt, this bracket right there. So I don't think we're gonna need to remove everything else. Or maybe we do if we wanna get this off. I mean, we'll figure it out. But I mean, just in case, I have an extra bungee cord in case we need to like hold this in place right here, so you don't have any tension on the brake lines. All right, so all we gotta do, we have to get this loose or remove these two bolts, 12mm again, and then get this loose. Don't get them off completely, because we're gonna swivel one of these to get the brake pads out, but we definitely need to get this out. All right, so just get these two loose and go from there. All right, let's get started. Okay, let's get this loose. Those were really tight. Okay, let's get this thing. All right. All right, so now we're just gonna wiggle this, push it back out, and there we go. We have our caliper out. You know what? Yeah, I might need to undo this. I think this is a 10mm socket or bolt. I'm gonna get it out so I can get more room to just swivel this and show you guys the pads. All right, so I had to remove the 10mm bolt right here, and I already used my bungee cord, wrap it around the shock, or you know, the close to the light bar right here, or the turn signal. And then now I can actually just remove this. Well, first of all, let me show you the pads. As you can see, they're almost gone. I don't know if the camera can actually see, but pads are almost gone. They're almost hitting the metal. So that was pretty bad. That was pretty bad on my part. So anyways, so one of the things that I like to do before removing this completely, I like to use my screwdriver, fit it in between the pads, the old ones, and then just push it in and out to help me push the calipers back in. As you can see, now we have a lot more space to work with, and I think we're gonna be able to put our new pads back in. All right, so now let me get this out. Let's see if this one is gonna be easier to swivel. I am removing the top pin, and I'm just gonna swivel this over to get the pads out. All right. So you can see right here, so I'm gonna hold this like this. Here's the old one, and here's the new one. See how much meat there is on the new one versus the old one. So, okay. So now that we have the calipers pushed back in a little bit, I'm gonna try to push them a little bit more with my fingers. Just hold them in place. There we go. All right, so they're almost back in, or all the way in. So I'm gonna put the, before I put the new pads in place, I'm gonna use some of my cleaner and then just clean some of the caliper components. These were pretty dirty. All right, just gonna use a rag or paper towel, clean them up as much as I can. You can also use soapy water. Let me clean this up a little bit more and I'll show you when I'm done. All right, so I already tried to clean it up a little bit more, and I put my brake pads back in the same order. And as you can see, I should have enough room to put the caliper back into the disc. Let me put this, like tight this bolt a little bit more, and then I'm gonna try to put it back on and show you when I'm done. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. I was able to put my caliper back on. I removed my bungee cord. I already put the 10mm bolt right here that holds the brake line in place, or puts it in place. I already tightened this bolt right here for the caliper, and then the bracket right here. All those 4 bolts. As you can see, we have our new pads. I just need to wash my bike and call it a day. I'm gonna have to do the same thing on the other side, and that's it. This is plain and simple, and how easy it is to replace the brake pads on this motorcycle. All right, I hope you guys like this video, or that it helps somebody. If you guys have any questions, any comments or suggestions, please leave me a note down below, and I'll try to get as quickly as possible. All right, thank you guys. Bye-bye.